Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today, we are going to discuss model test paper for the month of August, and this is Module 4. Today, we are going to discuss literature section. Answer the given questions in 20 to 30 words. Here are 4 questions of 2 marks each. First is, why did Anne want to write the essay with the help of her friend Sam? And the answer is, Anne wanted to write the essay with something original. So she sought help from Sam, her friend, who suggested her to write the essay in words. B part, what happened after Anglo-Boer War? And the answer is, after Anglo-Boer War, the white people of South Africa erected a system of racial discrimination against the black people of their own land. C part is, why Mrs. Pamphray is worried about Ricky? And the answer is, Mrs. Pamphray was worried about Ricky because Ricky would not eat anything and was even refusing its favorite dishes. It was just lying down around on the rug and panting. The question is, in what way thief think Anil will react to the theft? As for the thief, on discovering the theft, Anil's face would show a slight touch of sadness. The sadness would not be actually for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Here is question number 9. Answer the given questions in 30 to 40 words. There would be 3 marks for questions. First is, why did the poet not offer the boy money to buy another ball? And the answer is, the poet watched the boy who had plunged in grief at the loss of his ball. He did not offer the boy money to buy another ball. He felt that another ball could not console the boy. It seemed that the boy had the ball for a long time. The poet also wanted the boy to realize the epistemology of loss. B question is, when did the seagull get over his fear of flying over the sea? The seagull was afraid of flying over the sea because he thought that he would drown. His family decided to teach him a lesson. They left him unattended. The mother tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet now and then in his front. Since the seagull was hungry too much, he was compelled to attempt his first flight in order to get food. He was successful. This is when he got over his fear flying over the sea. Here is question number C. Does Anil realize that he had been robbed? And the answer is yes. Probably Anil knew that he had been robbed because all the notes were wet and damp from last night. He still did not say anything to the thief and gave him 50 rupees and told him that from now on Anil will be paying him money as salary every month. The question is, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? When he asked Anil that he wants to work for him, Anil clearly says that he will not be able to pay him. They mutually decide that if the thief would be able to cook food for him, then Anil would feed him. But soon Anil comes to know that he cannot cook. So Anil tells Hari, the thief, that he could teach him to cook food, teach him to write his name, full sentences, and also to add numbers. Apart from this, Hari also used to steal 1 rupee from the grocery money every day. So here is long question answer. Long answer type questions. Question number 10 is answer the given questions in 100 to 120 words. And this is from the book First Flight. First question is who was Lancho and what circumstances forced him to write a letter to God? In our option, you will get another question, and that is it right to confine wild animals into cages? Why or why not? Question number 11 says, answer the given questions in 100 to 120 words. This is also 5 marks. Hari Singh didn't board the express and returned to Anil. Why did he return? On what values does this incident put light on? Next is, what kind of a person do you think narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Now, you are to try to find out the answers to these questions. You have to read the chapter and find out the answers. Follow the word limits also. So, bye for today. We will meet in the next module. Thank you.